Lite, so welcome back to my video. My name is Crystal and this is Crystal Display. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I plan my quiet time, set up my spiritual life, organize all that jazz. So if you're ready for this video, then let's just jump straight in. Okay guys, I had to put a to-do list and the plan is, hopefully I might not I've already written my spiritual growth plan. I just need to rewrite it, so we won't do that. But in this video I'm gonna repack my quiet time basket and also repack my Bible journaling pouch. That's what I really need to do anyway, to feel a bit more organized. And then I'll just show you guys maybe a sneak peek of the the quiet time basics, which is the inventory I use to plan out my quiet time. So yeah, let's just start. Right, so this is my basket, and as you can see, it's in shambles. That's in shambles. This is just full to the brim, and yeah, I just need to empty out everything, literally, and just start over. Okay guys, so I just finished organizing my quiet time basket. This is a new basket as well, so if you'd like to see what's inside and me going through everything, then definitely comment down below, or I'll just literally post it on the community tab if you guys want to see what's inside. But yeah, no, this is all organized to what I'm actually going to use. So I took out some of the things that I weren't going to use anymore, right, because this is finished technically. That I haven't finished reading, so I said if I'm gonna read anything, I'm just gonna pick one reading book, and then once I finish that reading book, move on to the next one. So at least I have that, have my Kindle and all that. So if you want an in-depth tutorial, then let me know in the comments. But I got this basket from Amazon. Let's just tick that off, that we have repack our quiet time basket. So that's done. Now I need to organize the original pouches, and I don't know, I might organize this as well. We'll see. Let me see. But mostly I want to organize what's inside there as well. So let's just do that. Okay guys, so I have organized what's in my in piles. So you got this, the post-it notes, you got the stickers, more together. These are my memory verse that I wanted to memorize. These are the transparent sticky notes, a lighter for my candle, this bright color. These are papers, sticky notes here, small and big, some other stickers. This is actually a planner that I'm planning to use up to use in different ways in my Bible journal. These are some rulers that I have. This is some paper that I use in my Bible journal. This, I have like these little pink pouches to keep a bit more organized. So this is gonna be like, you know, some of my favorite washi tapes. This is some other tabs. And these are some we call it paper clips, sticks and all that. This is just random. And then all the garbage is on that side there, which I'm gonna be throwing away. So I'm going to just pack all of these now a bit more together and all that jazz. So yeah. Okay, so I decided to take the candle out and then put the Bible pouch in instead. So at least I have everything together, like all the Bible journaling stuff. It makes sense to put the basket in. So yeah, that's the basket ready. The candle, I can just have it anywhere I have my quiet time. So I'm gonna take that off now that I've organized my Bible journal pouch. I'm gonna organize. I'm just gonna tidy up inside here, and then we'll move on to the inventory, the quiet time basics. Alright, so as you can see, I kind of did a video all about this, so I'll try to link in the description box or in the pinned comments down below. But this is just a quiet time basic. I'm going to lock all my quiet time essential tools right here, and then I'm going to plan out my week, or I think what I might do is I might just plan out the week and just do that same routine for a month, and then every month I'll just renew it, or every 2 weeks. It just depends how I feel, but at this moment I might just do that same routine for a month and then change it out every single month or anything. But yeah, I'm going to be logging on my quiet time, so you just log it in here and it will store all of your quiet time essentials. So yeah, if you are interested in getting this template, then check out the Devo Cafe Lite. So yeah, I'm gonna log everything that is in my little book corner there, that's in my basket, that's in my war room trolley, right? So all the inventory stuff, quiet time stuff that I want to use, I'm gonna log it into the quiet time basics. So yeah. So I have written everything that is in my inventory. So this is the quiet time essentials that I have. So yeah, I have a good amount. I have my Bible study journal, joy, Bible study journal, every moment holy, prayers, Bible journal prompt. That is still available on my Amazon shop if you're interested. This is to do like a simple inductive Bible study called Find God Method. So I have that in store. Then I have my commentary there as well. The Bibles now I have a good amount as well. So yeah, I have the ESV Bible journal that's there. I have the Christian Standard Bible that's down here. Authentic Youth Bible, y'all know that one. Inductive, you have the life application. So yeah, as you can see, I need to reorganize everything because it's in shambles. But anyway, it's fine. It's just for the moment to keep an inventory. I have this new thing that I have as well, Stressless Bible Planner, the printable version if you're not a tech whiz, right? Because I do have the Lite Bible reading plan that is available now on my Gumroad shop that can help you in your Bible reading for next year. So definitely check that out, the Lite Bible reading plan. I'll link that in the pinned comments down below. But yeah guys, this is everything. So what I'm gonna do is, instead of making this video longer than it is, right, I'm going to log these into my quiet time basics inventory, and yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. All right guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you for coming along with me to organize my spiritual life. Like, I really think that knowing what's on my shelf is gonna allow me to use everything, and this really makes me think I don't need any more quiet time essentials, to be honest, and I don't need any more Bibles. I mean, the only thing that I might get is a new Bible dictionary, but that's it. I don't think I need anything else, because making this list made me realize how much things I have, and I have no excuse to not grow in my spiritual life, because I have a lot of things that I can use. So yeah guys, I really hope that this video inspires you to get your spiritual life together. If you do want to get your life together in terms of spiritual life, then check out the Quiet Time Basics. That's a freebie available in the Devo Cafe Lite. So it's a virtual cafe that is available now on my Gummo shop. So yeah, if you haven't liked this video, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, Crystallites.